Aditya Pandey from class 9 and is wishing you a very happy Diwali and a very happy Children's Day. Diwali is a festival of lights. We Indians celebrate it with a lot of joy and enthusiasm. We wishes our relatives and friends by meeting them. We seek blessings of our elder ones. We lit our houses with thousands and hundreds of lamps. But this time we cannot do this due to this pandemic. We cannot meet our friends and relatives. But still, we can hope that this Diwali will bring us the light which will fade this darkness of Corona. But do not forget, we are also here to celebrate the birth anniversary of our former Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was one of the greatest Prime Minister and a greatest freedom fighter. We all know what he did, but his love towards children was very special. That's why we celebrate Children's Day. So I request Principal Sister to please garland the portrait of our is Hindu festival, and according to Hindu literature, dance is very important. Dance is the tradition of part and parcel of Hindu culture. India is famous for its dance forms. So how can be there a celebration without dance on Diwali? So let's welcome Siddhi for her dance performance on Diwali.
गाजे बाजे गूंजे सपनोरी रे किलकारी रे अनूप बना अभिनंदन करता छाई धगा पंजारी रे शक्कर भागो झांकी झांको हुई जश्न की ये तैयारी रे मन हर जाओ धन सुखवारो जी रे आयो रे शुभ दिन आयो
We already know why Children's Day is celebrated, but to gain some more knowledge on it, what's the importance of it, let us invite Preet for his speech on Children's Day.
Good morning, respected principal, sister, teachers, sirs and all my dear friends. Myself Preet Vermani and I am here to share a small speech on Children's Day. So as we all know, we are gathered here to celebrate Children's Day. So firstly, I will let you know why we have to celebrate Children's Day on 14th of November. We celebrate Children's Day on 14th of November as a tribute to Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was the first Prime Minister of our India and he was born on 14th November 1889. Thus, we celebrate his birth anniversary as Children's Day. He was a prominent leader of Indian independence movement and has served the Prime Minister of India twice. He shared a lovely bond with children and was very affectionate towards them. Children also loved fondly and called him Chacha Nehru. Children is not all about giving gifts to them and celebrating events for them. It is a day to realize their importance in nation and give them the opportunity to open their wings and fly high in the nation to achieve their goals. Before I conclude, I would like to share a quote by Chacha Nehru. Children are the future of the nation. The way we will bring them up will determine the future of the country. I am getting an end to the speech, but before ending, I would like to share a thought with all of you. The children are the different kinds of flower and all together make the world a beautiful garden. I would also like to wish you all a very happy Children's Day. Thank you everyone for investing your precious time. Thank you.
We have just seen a dance on Diwali. Children's Day is still remaining. And we cannot do partiality on dances. We know dances are very lovely and good. So let's welcome Amruta for her dance on Children's Day.
हेलो हेलो तू फ्लोर पे जब है आई येलो येलो बड़ी सॉलिड मस्ती छाई
हेलो हेलो तू मुझे घूमने लगाई येलो येलो कंट्रोल करो मेरे भाई मुझे बड़ा तड़पावे तू देख तो आज भी दिल पर गुड़िए तीर जाइक चल जावे कर दे बिन पिए शराबी चेहरा तेरा गुलाबी कोई चूना यमला बन जावे जो इतनी हो बेताबी हेलो हेलो दिल दिल से कनेक्ट करना येलो येलो ये बातें डायरेक्ट करना
I know each and everyone here knows what's the importance of Diwali. But we are Indians. How can we miss a speech on Diwali, which is our favorite festival? So let's welcome Swani for her speech on Diwali.
Good present over here, this is me, Suhani Shukla, from 9th standard. A child is like a tender, like a tiny bud who has just started to bloom. This is the time when child needs care of their parents, teachers, and all those who have connected to his or her life. We have gathered here to celebrate Children's Day, a birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of independent India. He was very popular among the children and was fondly called as Chacha Nehru. He was prominent leader and great freedom fighter. He fought hard for independence of India and took oath in 1947 as a Prime Minister of independent India. During his regime, he advocated for children to have a compulsory education and ensure that they enjoy good health. He used to say that children of today will make the country of tomorrow. The way you bring them up will determine the future of country. We have also gathered here to celebrate Diwali. Diwali is a festival of light. There are 5 days of Diwali. First is Dhanteyodashi, second is Lakshmi Pujan, third is Govardhan Puja, fourth is Padwa, and fifth is Bhau Dooj. On Diwali, we light diya. Diya is a sign of spirituality, happiness, positivity, etc. Every year we celebrate Diwali with lots of enthusiasm and fun. But this year, as it is pandemic, we have to take care that we maintain social distancing and take all the precautions. I conclude my speech. Thank you and happy Children's Day and happy Diwali.
Thank you for your valuable time that you have given us. Thank you each and everyone who is present here. Thank you whoever contributed in this program. Thank you each and everyone. Thank you very much.
Happy morning to all of you. You know, the mid of November is a very auspicious occasion for all of us. Why? Because in this, there's a 14th November. You know what is there in 14th November? There is Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated as the birthday of our first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. You know, to celebrate this birthday in schools and education institute is very remarkable because it reminds us the memory and the work and the pleasure and vision of Chacha Nehru. Every child is a precious gift of mankind. Every kid is important regardless of caste, creed and religion. When the child smiles and laughs, God also smiles at you. Children are the blooming flowers of heaven to us. May the innocence of their smile and purity of their hearts stay forever unfaded. Wishing you all a very happy Children's Day. God bless you. Fulfill all your wishes. Thank you.
To respected principal sister, teachers and all students. Dear students, today I have got an immense opportunity on this monumental occasion of Diwali and Children's Day to address you, most precious treasure of our country. This is the most memorable and memorable celebration which is took place equally as Diwali and the Children's Day. It held on the same day. So Deepavali is India's greatest and most significant occasion. The celebration gets its name from the line Avali of clay, lamps, Deepa that Indians light outside their homes to respect the incoming light, that shield from all other darkness. As the word Diwali blinks in our mind, brightness, new hope and joy. Diwali holds a grand festival in the country over falling in the month of Kartik, in the Hindus calendar. These 5 days are very important in the Hindu religion. It is having very significant importance of this festival. As you know, children, this Diwali brings light and it reduces the darkness of the life of the people. So it gives the new life of the people. Not only give life, it spreads the light over the earth. As in the Hindu mythology, it is believed that the children are the most important and they are the gift of God. So, as we are celebrating these two festivals together, we can say that 14th November is the Children's Day and having the Diwali as well. So, we can say that these two festivals are included, not only the national festival but also the India's greatest festivals, Hindus festivals. So, this is the 14th November is having its own importance. That is the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, who is the first Prime Minister of India. He is the most precious person who fondly known as the Chacha Nehru in the children, amongst the children. He is known as the Chacha Nehru and he loves children. He is the most affectionate person who who is having the friendly attitudes towards the children. That children fondly called him the Chacha Nehru. It was his affection towards children that his birthday, November 14, is celebrated as the Children's Day. You will be the future leaders, scientists, doctors, engineers, and teachers. Everybody expect from you to bring about radical transformation in the country and also in the world by devising means for development and prosperity for all human beings. As Jawaharlal Nehru said, he raised the importance of the child education very well. Children are considered to be the building block of the stormy nation. So, children, you know that you are the future of the nation and you are the prosperous future which is important into the nation. So I wish you all happy Children's Day and happy Diwali and prosperous Diwali and safe Diwali. Thank you.
Happy and pleasant day to one and all. Children's Day is celebrated in the whole country on 14th November with great enthusiasm. It is the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He had a great love for children. He believed that children have innocent heart and they win the heart of everyone with their innocent smile and angelic smile. As he loved children, he raised the importance of children's education very well. He raised much awareness for the better condition of children in the country. He believed that the strength of a country is its young citizens and children who help to develop our country through their new ideas and innovative thoughts. Every child comes with the message that God is not a discouraged of man. Every child born into the world is a new thought of God, an ever fresh and radiant possibility. Father disciplines the child with do's and don'ts. Mother comforts the child with love and care. Teacher educates the child with knowledge and wisdom. Society molds the child with rights and patriotism. Religion helps the child to see God and spiritual goals. Everyone and everything plays an important role in every child's life. Each child has to be dealt individually with utmost care and sensitivity. I conclude my speech conveying my warmest wishes to all children of St. Anne's English Medium School, Akola, and the children all over the nation. Wish you happy Children's Day and happy Diwali. May your lives be filled with the light, and that light dispels darkness and fills you with happiness and joy all through your life. God bless you and cherish in you. And finally, I say a beautiful quote. Everybody is standing, but you must stand out. Everybody is breaking grounds, but you must break through. Everybody is scratching it, but you must scratch it hard. Everybody is going, but you must keep going extra miles. Dare to be exceptionally. Once again, I wish you all happy Children's Day and happy Diwali. Thank you.